Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, and every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
Okay guys, so in today's video, this is a super exciting one. I'm going to be unboxing one of my dream bags. I've wanted this bag for so long, and honestly the price increase has kind of hurt my heart a little bit. This was $700 cheaper like 2 years ago, but I waited this long and it wasn't going on sale. It wasn't going down in price. Of course, luxury bags don't typically go down in price, they go up in price. But I used to buy a lot of things from My Teresa, and usually that was my hack for buying designer goods, was getting it on My Teresa because it was way cheaper. But now My Teresa actually has a Canadian site, so everything is in Canadian prices and it's all the same now, whether or not I buy it from Holt or My Teresa or somewhere in the US. And also I was super picky about getting this bag, so I ended up getting it at Holt Renfrew, which I don't typically just get stuff from Holt Renfrew. Usually I like to get things consigned, although this was a nightmare to find. I did find it on some US resale sites, but honestly I was super picky about the condition of the bag, and the cost wasn't much less when I converted the Canadian versus US dollar, so I just ended up getting it at Holt Renfrew. Also, I live in a province where the taxes are only 5%, so it made sense to get it here. So I did get this from Holt Renfrew. I kind of messed up the box a little bit trying to open the other box that it was in, which is annoying. I have unboxed this because I wanted to do a YouTube short or TikTok video, so I'll include that over here somewhere in the video, or like on that side. I don't know which side it appears on. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the bag. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's go ahead and open this. So this is the box that it comes in. I haven't bought anything from Holt Renfrew in like a very long time. I also limit myself to 1 designer bag per year. That's it. So this is my 1 designer bag this year. If you are watching this video and are like, you just filmed a Gucci unboxing, that was my designer bag that I bought last year. So yeah, this is the one I'm getting this year. So this is how the Holt Renfrew box came. It came with the receipt and all of that stuff in this envelope. Also, by the way, I'm not crazy about the lighting situation today. I really wanted to have perfect lighting for this video and film this in daylight. However, the weather has been an issue for the past couple of days. Past like 4 days, I would say. It's been raining every day, so it's good for me because where I live there's a ton of fires right now in the northern part of my province, so it's good that we're getting rain and I can wear my Chloe rain boots finally. But that means crappy lighting for my videos, so I'm sorry about that. But let's go ahead and finally unbox it. So this is how it came. I tried to put this back as good as you know, they wrapped it and stuff. So this is literally how it came. And if you've never ordered from Holt Renfrew before and you're in Canada, shipping takes about a week, I want to say. A week-ish, because they do ship by Canada Post. They don't ship by like FedEx or anything like that. It is free shipping if you were wondering, after you spend like $100 or more or something like that. This is how it came. Of course, it was all nice, but I, you know, ruined the packaging already. So this is what it looks like. It does come with the Saint Laurent box, and this is the info on the bottom right there if you guys want to pause that and have a look. I did get this in silver hardware. This is the Saint Laurent toy Loulou. I've wanted this for years, you guys, and I was just thinking, you know, this is gonna go up in price again, and usually they typically raise their prices in May and November. So I did get this at the very end of April. I think I ordered this on like April 29th or something like that. So the price hadn't increased just yet. But girl, if this goes up in price anymore, like this is gonna be almost $3,000 if it goes up again. So I decided, you know what, I'll buy it. Finally, I'll just get my dream bag and I'll be able to use it. And I have been really feeling YSL stuff lately. It's been like on my radar. It's been my favorite brand for the past few years now. I love YSL and Gucci. So my next bag, I think I'm already thinking about my next bag. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a Kate. So let's go ahead and open this. This smells amazing, by the way. It just smells amazing. I love the smell of leather. I know some people don't like it, but I love it. It smells expensive, you know? So it comes in this packaging right here. And then let's undo it. Looks like this. We're gonna take that off. And this is what the bag looks like. So I know a lot of you buy this in the size small. I know a lot of people buy this in a size medium, but I am more of a mini bag type person. I feel like maybe the small would have also suited me, but I'm not going any bigger than that. And honestly, this has a lot of space for all my stuff. Like it has a ton of room. So let me just do a close-up first before we get everything opened and all of that good stuff. So I decided on the silver hardware. If you guys are wondering, I did get it in the silver hardware purposefully. That's the color I wanted. If you do get this in black, it is like $100 more. I don't know why, because I definitely prefer it in silver. It also comes in gold as well, but I wasn't a huge fan of the gold. The gold kind of looks almost like antique gold. It's like a darker gold shade. It's not like shiny or anything like that. So I definitely just preferred the silver. This leather also, it feels amazing. Like it feels squishy and it's just so soft and amazing. So this is what the back looks like. The chevron leather is beautiful. Looks like that. Normally, I typically like the textured leather. My other Saint Laurent bag is in a caviar leather with gold hardware. I love that bag, but I did really just love this. I love the way it looks in the smooth leather. It looks amazing. I don't even think this comes in caviar, but I do love this on a very rare occasion that I am getting a smooth leather bag. I absolutely love it. And I heard this one actually wears really well and really nicely. So it does have a magnetic closure on the front, which is nice. And then let's go ahead and open her up. Also, if you want to know how much this cost in Canada, you guys, like, it's, you know, it's pretty steep. It's pretty painful for such a tiny bag, but I'm gonna have this for years and I know that I'm going to use it. It's a classic bag. It's a classic color and I don't know what to say. I really wanted it. So that's that. It is stuffed with paper and stuff like that. So yeah, like it's very simple on the inside. It does come with some card holders, which is nice. So you don't actually have to carry a wallet because it does have card holders on the side right here, which is nice. I'm pretty sure my other Saint Laurent bag has that as well. It is a wallet on chain. So this is really cool because it has the divider in the middle, if you guys can see that. It has a front section and it has a back section. The back section just looks like that. It does have a zipper back there with a tiny zipper compartment, and it does say Saint Laurent on the back right there, if you guys can see that. So that is the inside of the bag, just very simple and really, really nice. Like I am so excited about this. I'm pretty sure my phone fits in here. I'm also not a person that really cares too much if my phone fits in my bag. I'm a huge fan of mini bags and stuff like that, so I can't be too concerned about my phone. But it does come with this care booklet on the inside of that zippered compartment. And yeah, I'm like so excited to finally use this. It does also say Saint Laurent right there. As you guys can see, there's a little leather tab on the inside of that pocket. It's really hard to show black bags. It really is. But I am gonna go ahead and put the stuff back in after I'm done filming this. And it does come with a strap right here as well. It does have Saint Laurent Paris on the hardware. I am going to look at this strap right now actually, because I am curious if it's adjustable or not, because I heard that some years that they made this bag it didn't have an adjustable strap and then they made it adjustable again. I have no idea. Let's go ahead and just take this out. Yep, this is adjustable. I mean, it's not super adjustable, like you can't adjust it. Oh, actually, you know what? It is. I was gonna say there's only 3 holes in there, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna leave it on this length. I usually just tend to leave my bags just at whatever length it comes. So it does have the matching silver hardware. Looks like that. And yes, this is completely adjustable. I like that there's a leather tab stopper on the strap as well. I do like that. So the strap is not just, you know, flying around all over the place like that extra slack of the strap. I hate it when bags have that, especially when it's a expensive bag, because it just looks kind of like unpolished, unfinished. I don't know if that's a thing, but yeah, you do connect it from the sides here, from the sides there. I'm not going to connect it because I am going to put this back in the bag. I'm not going to be using this today. I am, you know, going through a week of work and stuff like that, so I won't be able to use this until like at least the weekend. So I'm just going to keep it stored the way it's supposed to be stored. I have dog hair on it already, geez. But yeah, I'm super happy with this bag. I think it's so beautiful and I can't wait to use it. And yeah, like it smells so good. I cannot wait to use this and feature it in some videos with some looks and stuff like that. So if you do want to see like outfits of the day and stuff with this bag in it and stuff like that, or like a review later on, please let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely show this in some vlogs and stuff like that, because I am planning to use this quite a lot. It's a bag that just goes with a lot of things. And honestly, looking at it right now, it is a mini bag, yes, granted that, but I do think it's going to be functional for me. I think it's going to carry all of my essential stuff, which is nice. It's not going to carry like a full-size makeup bag or anything like that, but it is, you know, I'm going to carry my essentials, my wallet, my keys, my phone, my hand sanitizer, you know, like that sort of thing. So that is all for this video. That is my unboxing of my new bag, the Saint Laurent Toy Loulou, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys soon in my next one. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
I let you